Carter Campbell.
And I'm Jenna Ellis.
Colin Luther Powell lived from 1937 to 2021, was an American politician, statesman, diplomat, and United States Army officer who served as the 65th United States Secretary of State from 2001 to 2005. He was the first African American Secretary of State. He served as the 15th United States National Security Advisor from 1987 to 1989, and as the 12th Chairman of the Joint Chiefs Staff from 1989 to 1990.
Colin Powell once said, "Have a vision, be demanding."
For all students thinking of enrolling in AP European History next year, Mr. Moore will be holding a final informational HST on this Friday, April 14th. The overall course will be explained, including expectations and workload, plus any questions you might have about the class. If you're already enrolled, there is no need to attend this HST, as a special HST will be held in May to go over the summer assignments and issue textbooks.
Are you hoping to get more involved in your school community? Are you passionate about helping others and advocating for children's rights? Do you want to gain more leadership experience and have more opportunities for community service? If you answered yes to any of those questions, you should apply to be an officer for UNICEF Club. The positions available are Vice President, Secretary, Treasurer, Publicity, Historian, and Board Member. Anyone is welcome to apply. Previous experience or involvement with UNICEF Club is not required. The deadline for applications is April 30th, so apply now. Good luck.
Now for a video from band.
Why can't you explain puns to kleptomaniacs?
Why?
'Cause they always take things literally.
Are you a musician, dancer, or somebody who wants to be a musician or dancer? Do you want to be part of a supportive family on campus? Come to the Scarlet Regiment Band and Color Guns Info Night on April 13th at 7 p.m. to learn more. No experience is needed, and goodie bags will be offered to those who attend.
Congratulations to the Scarlet Regiment, Winter Guard, and Winter Percussion Ensemble. The Winter Guard won 3rd place, and the Percussion Ensemble captured the title and won 1st place at the California Color Guard Circuit Championship Show. Way to go, Balers! Now, race with the weather.
Good morning. Today we will have a low of 41 and a high of 65. Tomorrow there will be a low of 42 and high of 66. Saturday we will be expecting a low of 43 and high of 71. At break an average of 50 and at lunch an average of 56. Back to you guys.
Movie time. Join us today, Thursday, right after school in Mrs. Duke's room 450, to watch Puss in Boots. Showtime is 1:50 p.m.
A special preview for the upcoming musical Rock of Ages will take place on Tuesday, April 18th, and Wednesday, April 19th, in the auditorium during HSTs. Please sign up early, as well as these will fill up fast. The video has all the info.
Hi, I'm Audrey Eisen, and I play Hilda Kleinman.
Hi, I'm Alejandro Manso and I play Franz.
My favorite part of the show is getting to work with this guy as my son.
My favorite part of the show is the cool choreography that we do.
The show runs April 21st through the 29th at 7 p.m. with a matinee on the 22nd at 1 p.m. You can get your tickets on gofan.co.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember, go Balers!